主机长，
传统市场，
长主机长，
传统市场，
长主机长，嘟哩嘟，
读一读，
嘟哩嘟，
读一读。
If that's you, stay right there, because this video is exactly for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to Chinese 60s. I'm Ming, the creator behind all the animated clips here you see on Chinese 60s. We're a team who learn Mandarin as a second language, just like many of you, and this channel is simply a place where we share a new, refreshing way to learn a foreign language. If you watch our videos, you'll probably notice that we always display 3 lines. The first line, the strange-looking Latin spelling. The second line, the Chinese characters that look completely foreign at first. And the third line, the English translation. Sometimes there's even a fourth line in another language. That very first line is called Pinyin. Pinyin is incredibly important in Mandarin because it helps you know exactly how to pronounce each Chinese character. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to understand Pinyin clearly and confidently. But before we start, here are the tools that will help you learn effectively. What you're going to need is the pronunciation page on the Chinese CTS website, along with this pronunciation training pack. This pack includes a PDF and PPT with detailed pronunciation guides, video lessons and practice drills, and especially the quizzes on the Chinese CTS website. The whole pack is available for only $20. I will put a link in the description box below, or you can find it directly on our website. If you need more details, feel free to reach out to us anytime. Alright, so now let's get into it. Right now on the screen, you can see a few examples of Chinese syllables. Every Chinese syllable is made from 3 parts: initial, final, and tone. That's the basic structure of Mandarin pronunciation. To explore all the Mandarin sounds, we're going to use the pronunciation page on ChineseCTS.com. On your screen right now, you will see 2 main areas. On the left, a mouth structure model, and on the right, all the initials, finals, and tones, each with its own audio. Let's start with the mouth model. These are the parts inside your mouth, the things that decide how a sound is produced. On the model you see upper lip, lower lip, jaw, hard palate, soft palate, uvula, tip of the tongue, blade of the tongue, throat, and nasal cavity. On our website, we built an interactive tool where you can move these parts around and watch the animation of how each sound is formed. I think it's pretty fun to play with, but more importantly, it helps you understand why a sound feels different. Now, let's look at the right side, the initials, finals, and tones. We'll start with initials. Here on the screen, you can see all the initials in Mandarin. First, let's watch and listen to how these initials are pronounced.
波、坡、摸、佛、的、特、呢、了、个、科、呵、鸡、七、西、子、次、思、知、吃、时、日.
Alright, after listening to them once, you may notice that there are 21 initials in total. That sounds like a lot, but don't worry, we're going to break them down into smaller groups. These groups are
波、坡、摸、佛、的、特、呢、了、个、科、呵、鸡、七、西、子、次、思、知、吃、时、日.
Each group shares some similar features, and the main differences come from where your tongue is placed and how the air flows out. Alright, so now let's go through them one at a time. Our first group is 波、坡、摸. The 3 sounds all start from the same position. Your lips come together. 波. The air flows freely out of the mouth. Your lips just open quickly, and the tongue stays relaxed.
波、波、波、波。
波. The tongue moves upward slightly, close to the upper teeth, so you get a stronger burst of air.
坡、坡、坡、坡。
摸. the air goes through the nose instead of the mouth.
摸摸摸摸
Okay, let's watch and listen to these three sounds again.
波坡摸
Our second group is just one sound. For the bottom lip touches the upper teeth.
佛佛佛佛
Next, we have the, n, l. In this group, the difference comes from how the tip of your tongue touches the ridge behind your upper teeth. From to l, the tongue gradually moves inward and curves more. And with n and l, the air goes through the nose to escape.
的特呢了
Group 4 is g, k, h. These sounds come from the back of the tongue, touching the soft palate. K is different from g because it has a stronger burst of air.
咯科
With h, the back of the tongue is raised towards the soft palate. The air stream is expelled from the lungs.
呵呵呵呵
Group 5 is G, C, C. Here, the tongue touches the back of the lower teeth. From T to C, the tip of the tongue gradually lifts upward. C has a stronger puff of air compared to T.
鸡七西
Group 6, T, C, S. These sounds are produced with the tongue touching the upper teeth ridge. But unlike group T, N, L, the tongue here moves outward rather than inward. C is different from Z because of the strong burst of air.
滋呲丝
And finally, our last group, Zh, Ch, Sh, R. For these sounds, the tongue curves up toward the hard palate. For Zh and Ch, the tongue touches the hard palate to form a curve.
吱吃
Ch is different from Zh because of the extra burst of air. For Sh and R, the tongue doesn't touch. It stays close and leaves a small space for air to pass through.
诗诗诗日日日
Great job! You have just completed all the Mandarin initials. That was a big section, so congratulations on your hard work. Now, let's move on to the finals. We're going to start with 6 simple finals. These finals are different from each other in 2 main ways. How wide you open your mouth and where your tongue is placed.
啊哦一乌吁
With your mouth opens wide and your tongue drops down.
啊啊
With your mouth opens to a medium width, lips rounded, and the tongue is raised slightly toward the back.
哦
With your mouth is also medium, tongue raised slightly and pulled back.
呃
With your mouth opens narrowly, lips spread, and your tongue is high and pushed forward.
一
With your mouth is narrow, lips rounded, and the tongue is high but pulled backward.
乌
Your mouth is narrow and rounded like oo, but your tongue is high and pushed forward like e.
吁
Next, we have the compound finals, the nasal finals, and a few special finals. Let's listen to the audio together.
I A O O 呀耶哇喔约幺 U Y 微安恩阴烟弯温晕渊昂阴阳汪嗡嗡庸
Here are some important notes. When a final begins with E or Ü, it changes to Y at the beginning.
呀耶腰悠焉阴阳应庸约渊晕
When it begins with U, it changes to W.
哇窝歪微弯温汪
Now for the special ones. Is the retroflex final. Your tongue curls slightly inward. The final used after d, c, s is its own special sound. And the retroflex used after d, ch, sh, r has the tongue curled back toward the inside of the mouth. So now let's try reading some syllables together.
八波逼不掰背包搭的滴嘟呆逮刀兜嘎哥咕该给高勾
一五一
Alright, so we have now gone through both the initials and the finals. That was a lot of work. Now let's bring everything to life with tones. Tones might look like simple marks above the vowels, but they are extremely important because they completely change the meaning of a word. For example, ma means mother, ma means numb, ma means horse, and ma means to scold. In Mandarin Chinese, there are 4 main tones and 1 neutral tone. First tone, the singing tone.
一
五
吁
八
搭
不
女
抠
Second tone, the question tone.
一
五
吁
八
搭
不
女
抠
Third tone, the zombie tone, low and dragging.
以
五
与
八
打
不
女
口
Fourth tone, the command tone, sharp and falling.
一
五
与
八
大
不
女
扣
And neutral tone, light, quick and soft. 妈妈白的你们爸爸 Let's practice each tone with a few examples.
麻麻麻马妈妈妈麻马马妈麻妈马妈
But tones don't always stay the same. They change depending on what sound comes next. These are called the modulations of tones. And here are the main ones. For third tones, if a third tone syllable is followed by any other tone, we don't read the full dipping contour. We only pronounce the first half, the falling part, without raising back up. 雨衣很忙午饭好吗 Now, 不 is originally a fourth tone, but if the syllable after it is also fourth tone, then 不 changes to 不不喝不难不好不去不高不来不小不下 E is originally first tone, but its tone changes depending on what comes after it. If it's followed by tone 1, 2, or 3, then E changes to E. If it's followed by tone 4, then E changes to E. 一班一元一本一个一时一年一点一件 And when you see 3 third tone syllables in a row, there are 2 natural ways to read them. 1. Change the first 2 into second tone, or 2. Split them into 2 parts. Keep the first syllable as full third tone, and change the second into second tone. 我很好我很好500美元 To practice more, especially blending the syllables and tones together, you can check all the exercises in the pronunciation training pack. If you practice consistently, even just a few minutes a day, you'll notice huge improvements in your pronunciation and listening ability. You're actually training your mouth, your ears, and your muscle memory. In the next videos, I'll guide you through learning Mandarin conversation step by step. So now let's grab your pronunciation training pack, explore the pronunciation page, and practice a little every day. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.